Alright y'all, so today we're going to be making banana bread. Pretty simple, pretty easy. For this we have sugar, flour, baking soda, an egg, some butter, some salt, some vanilla extract, and a couple bananas. Riper the better. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you would like to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright y'all, so in a mixing bowl, we're going to start with our bananas. And we're going to want about 1.5 cups of banana. So I'm going to use about 3 medium bananas for that. And then we're just going to go ahead and mash them with a fork. Then we have 1/2 cup of melted butter. And you're just going to keep mashing as you mix. 1 egg. Then we're going to go with a teaspoon of vanilla. A pinch of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 3/4 cup of sugar. One and a half cups of flour. Now, if you would like to add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or walnuts or something like that, go ahead, add 1/4 cup of that right now. But once we have this well incorporated, we're going to take our greased 8x4 loaf pan. Now we've gone ahead and preheated our oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to cook this for about an hour. After about 50 minutes, we'll stick a toothpick in it and see if it comes out clean. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, at an hour, perfectly done. I stuck a toothpick in, came out clean. I dumped it out of the pan, put it on a cooling rack, and now I'm going to let this cool completely before I cut it up. Serve it with some butter, or just eat it. If you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below, and until next time, keep on cooking on.